Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Two vertices of a triangle are 3, minus 5 and minus 7, 4. If its centroid is 2, minus 1, then the third vertex is. We know centroid of a triangle whose vertices are x1, x2, x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 can be given by x, y equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So let's just put given values here. So we are given centroid. So 2, minus 1 equal to x1 is 3, x2 is minus 7 and x3 is to be found out divided by 3, comma y1 is minus 5, y2 is 4 and y3 is to be found out divided by 3. So let's simply equate x coordinate with x coordinate and y coordinate with y coordinate. So 2 equal to 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus x3 by 3. So we get 3 into 2 is 6 equal to minus 4 plus x3. So we get x3 equal to 10 and minus 1 equal to minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1 plus y3 divided by 3. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 equal to minus 1 plus y3. So y3 is equal to minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So the coordinates of third vertex are x3, y3 equal to 10, minus 2. So answer is option C.